1.4 Parts of a concave mirror. In a plane mirror, the surface is plane. In a concave mirror, the surface is not plane, it is spherical. A concave mirror is called spherical mirror because it is a part of a sphere. Now, I will remove the part like this. See here, this is a concave mirror. The outside of this concave mirror is silver painted and the inside part of this is hollow and it reflects the light. Let me take one more example. This is also an example for concave mirror. Now let me explain you the parts of a concave mirror. Now this concave mirror piece at the center has a point P and this is called pole. Pole is geometric center of the mirror piece. Now I designate this with P. See here, this is a concave mirror and this P is center of the mirror piece. Now from when you consider the sphere, now the sphere will have a center and this center is designated with C and C is center of this sphere and this is C is also called center of the curvature. Now center of the curvature, C is at the center of this curvature or center of the sphere. Now the distance between P and C is called radius of the curvature or R. It is represented by R. Now a sphere will have a radius and this radius is R and this is from P to C, it is radius of curvature. See here, when parallel rays of light are passing onto this mirror piece and when the parallel rays are falling on the concave mirror, they reflect and meet at a point and this point is called focus or focal point. The distance between the pole and the focus is called focal length. The distance between pole and C is called center of curvature is called R. Generally R is equal to 2 times the focal length. So R is equal to 2f. Normal is a perpendicular line drawn on any surface. In case of concave mirror, the normals converge towards a point and this point is called center of curvature. 1.5 Parts of a convex mirror. A plane mirror has a plane surface. A convex mirror has a spherical surface. A convex mirror is called a spherical mirror. Consider a sphere. Now a part of it is considered as a convex mirror. When the outer surface is reflecting the light and when the inner surface is painted, silver painted. Now I have one more example here. This is a convex mirror. The outer side is bulged. Now let us consider the parts of a convex mirror. This convex mirror piece has a midpoint and this midpoint is called pole of the convex mirror. Here you can see the pole. Now when you consider a sphere, it has a center and the center is represented by C and C is the center of the sphere and C is also considered as center of the curvature. A sphere also has a radius and the radius is represented by R and this R is called radius of the sphere or radius of the curvature. The distance between C and P is called radius of the curvature R. Now when light rays fall on the convex mirror, they are reflected back. Now when we extend the reflected rays to the backwards, they meet at a point called F and this F is known as focus or focal point. Now the line passing through the center and focus and the pole is called principal axis. The radius of the curvature R is generally equal to twice the focal length. The distance between focus and the pole is called focal length. Now when we draw the normal to the backwards, these normals will meet at a point C, and this C is called center of curvature.